Everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Google Docs offline on your computer. Yes, you can use Google Docs even if you do not have internet connection if you follow the steps correctly. Now, please do not worry if you are not familiar with the Google Docs interface, as I will be here to guide you and show you step by step on how to do so. So, let's get started. First of all, make sure that your Google Chrome is completely up to date before proceeding to the procedures so that we will not encounter any errors along the way. Now, as you can see, I'm currently on a Google Docs file, and as you can see, we have tons of buttons and options to choose from. But what we want to do is to click on File under our file name. As you can see, we have the File menu right here. Click on the File menu, which will open up this tab, giving us tons of different options to choose from. But we want to choose Make Available Offline. As you can see, we have version history, move to bin, but we want to focus on this one because this is what will allow us to access our file even if we do not have internet connection. Just click this once and it will show you this tab right here. Turn on offline for all files. Just click on turn on and there you go. Now, as you can see, document now available offline. Once it has indicated that text, then even if you do not have internet connection, but currently I'm on Ethernet, if you do not have internet connection, you can still access this file, which makes it very convenient for you. If you are outside the house or you accidentally lost your internet connection, you can still access the file if you turned on offline access. And that's it for this video. If you learned something, please consider subscribing and turn on the notification bells and click the like button. I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.